World War I explained in 5 minutes. The early 20th century saw rising tensions among European powers, setting the stage for a conflict that would soon engulf the world. Nationalism, imperialism, and military buildups created a volatile atmosphere. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand in June 1914 by a Bosnian Serb nationalist ignited existing tensions. This event triggered a series of political maneuvers and ultimatums among European nations. Entangled alliances quickly drew multiple countries into the conflict. The Central Powers, led by Germany and Austria-Hungary, faced off against the Allies, including France, Russia, and the United Kingdom. War declarations followed swiftly after the assassination, with Austria-Hungary declaring war on Serbia. This set off a chain reaction, leading to widespread mobilization and the rapid spread of hostilities. Early battles, like the Battle of the Marne in September 1914, showcased the ferocity of the conflict. Both sides suffered heavy casualties, indicating the brutal nature of the war to come. Trench warfare during World War I was marked by grueling and stagnant combat, with soldiers enduring harsh conditions, constant danger, and limited movement. Trenches stretched for miles, creating a deadly stalemate. The Western and Eastern fronts were significant battlegrounds. The Western Front saw brutal, prolonged fighting in France and Belgium, while the Eastern Front involved vast mobile warfare between Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Russia. Technological advancements introduced devastating new weapons, including machine guns, tanks, and poison gas. These innovations increased the lethality of battles, causing unprecedented casualties and changing the nature of warfare forever. Global involvement expanded the conflict beyond Europe, with colonies and nations from Africa, Asia, and the Americas joining the war. Their contributions and sacrifices were crucial, reflecting the war's extensive reach. Life on the home front was challenging, with civilians facing food shortages, economic strain, and the constant anxiety of war. Governments mobilized economies for war production, altering daily life and society profoundly. Prominent figures from both sides played crucial roles in shaping the war's course. Leaders like Kaiser Wilhelm II of Germany and General John J. Pershing of the United States left lasting impacts. The entry of the United States in 1917 marked a turning point. American troops boosted Allied morale and resources, significantly contributing to the war effort and hastening its conclusion. The Russian Revolution in 1917 brought upheaval to the Eastern Front. The Bolsheviks' rise to power led to Russia's withdrawal, altering the dynamics and focusing more on the Western Front. Germany's 1918 spring offensive was a desperate attempt to secure victory before American forces fully deployed. Despite initial successes, the offensive eventually faltered, leading to Allied counterattacks. The armistice on November 11, 1918, signaled the end of hostilities. Exhausted and war-weary, the warring nations agreed to ceasefire terms, bringing relief and initiating the process of peace negotiations. The armistice on November 11, 1918, marked the end of hostilities in World War I. It was a moment of relief and exhaustion for soldiers and civilians alike, signaling a tentative peace. The Treaty of Versailles followed, imposing harsh terms on Germany and redrawing Europe's political map. The treaty's stipulations aimed to prevent future conflicts, but also sowed seeds of resentment and instability. The war's aftermath saw massive political, social, and economic upheavals. Nations grappled with the loss of a generation, economic hardship, and the redrawing of borders, forever altering the global landscape. World War I's legacy shaped the 20th century, influencing everything from international relations to technological advancements. It served as a grim reminder of the devastating costs of global conflict. Encourage viewers to deepen their understanding and honor those who served. Subscribing to our channel and sharing this video helps spread awareness about the profound impact of World War I.